Guys, welcome to King's Cookout. If you want to learn how to make these beautiful coconut fried chicken wings with a mango dipping sauce, just keep watching and follow me. Come, welcome to the cookout. Alright guys, here are the ingredients you're going to be needing for our coconut fried chicken wings and mango dipping sauce. All the measurements will be down below in the description box. So for the wings, we're going to be needing pink salt, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, plain flour, descrated coconut, fine if you can find it. For me, I find it better, and coconut milk. For the dipping sauce, we are going to be using curry powder, mangoes, honey, sriracha, mayo, coriander, and lemon juice. So first of all, we're going to get started with marinating these beautiful wings. Alright guys, so now we're going to get started with marinating our wings. So first of all, we're going to go in with some Himalayan pink salt. Black pepper. All-purpose seasoning. Garlic powder. Paprika. Green seasoning. And now we're going to give that a nice little mix. Oh, guys, if you can smell how beautiful this is smelling right now, oh my lord. And now guys, now we've got it nice and mixed up, we're going to go in with our coconut milk. And now we're going to give that a nice mix in. Get all them seasonings mixed. Coconut milk. Now guys, we're going to cover this in cling film and leave it in the fridge to marinate for about half an hour to an hour. Alright guys, so while our chicken is marinating in the fridge, we can get started on our mango dipping sauce. So all we're going to do is add all the ingredients listed down below for the dipping sauce straight into a blender. I'm using my Ninja food processor because that's what I have. And we're going to go straight in, add everything, and then give it a good old blend till nice and smooth. And there you go, guys, there is your mango dipping sauce. Now we're going to add that into a small little container and start working on our chicken wings. Alright, so now we're going to get started on our seasoned flour for our wings. So we're going to start off by adding plain flour into our bowl. All the specific measurements will be down below in the description box, like I said in the beginning. Now we're going to go in with our fine desiccated coconut. And now we're going to add all our dry seasonings that we added to the chicken also into our flour. So again, paprika, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and Himalayan pink salt. Now we're going to give that a nice mix and incorporate all the seasonings and the coconut into our flour. Now, as you can see, all our flour is well incorporated. Everything is nicely mixed together. Now, we're going to put that to the side and set up our fryer for the wings. Alright guys, now our chicken has been in the fridge for about half an hour to an hour. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start coating it in our beautiful coconut flour. So you're going to take a piece out, try dredge off as much excess coconut milk as you can so the flour does not clump up, and also be a bit patient. Try to do it, if you can, at least 1 or 2 at a time. Don't try to add all of them in, and then otherwise too much moisture will get into your flour and your flour will start to clump up. So what we want to do is we want to coat our flour, squeezing it at the same time to make sure that it all sticks together and it gets into every single crevice. See, look at that. Oh my lord. We're going to put that straight onto a plate and go with the process again. Look at that. Alright guys, now our wings are all being coated in our coconut flour. Now we are ready to fry. Let's go. Alright guys, so now our fire is nice and hot and temperature up to 180 degrees. We're going to start frying our chicken wings. Don't add too many at a time. I say roughly around 3 at a time, just so you get a nice even color. Now as soon as you put them in, don't touch them, don't shake them. Let that coating fully stay onto that chicken. You want to wait around 3 to 4 minutes and then give it a nice little shake to make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. Now guys, look at those. Look how crispy these look. Now we're gonna add these straight onto our tray with some paper underneath to keep them nice and dry. And we're gonna carry on with the frying process. Alright guys, and here is our finished product. Our coconut fried chicken wings. Guys, if you can feel how crispy these are, just listen. Look at that. Look at that. Just look how crispy and flavorful that crust looks. Wow, guys. Just wow. Now time for the crunch effect. Let's grab one of these off. Now listen to this. And guys, here is the final product all together. Here is our coconut fried chicken wings and our mango dipping sauce. Now, oh my gosh, I can't wait to tuck into this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and also comment down below any dishes that you would like to see me, Chef Kingsley, make in the future. Also, please subscribe. And also, if you see a little bell down there, down there, press that. That will make sure that you get a notification and never miss out on any new dishes that I create. So, thank you very much guys for watching. And I'll see you next time at the cookout. Peace out.